This video demonstrates how to install the new single-piston oil-sealed compressor from Graco. These are the tools that you will need. If replacing the prior 2-piston oil-free compressor, consult the instruction manual for the removal steps. Remove the fan grill. Remove the old shaft if present. Loosen the knob and tilt the belt shroud back. Remove the existing pulley using a 1/8 inch hex wrench. Locate the serrated nuts on the back side of the pulley in the slots using duct tape to hold in place. Install the new pulley provided with the kit. Ensure that 0.125 to 0.225 inches of the shaft protrudes from the face of the pulley. Rotate the belt back onto the new pulley. Lower the belt shroud and tighten the knob. Secure the new coupler plate to the pulley using the shoulder bolts and a 1/4 inch hex wrench. Install the fan grill. Install the compressor mounting bracket using a 9/16 inch socket. Secure the bracket so that the coupler plate shaft is centered in the opening. Apply a drop of the included Loctite to the M8x10 and M5x8 set screws. Thread into the coupler and ensure that they do not protrude from the inside surface. Rotate the compressor shaft so that the keyway faces upwards. Align the pin with the keyway and slide onto the compressor shaft, pin first. Disconnect the spark plug wire. Use a recoil starter to position the coupler shaft so that the keyway faces upwards. Install the key. Slide the compressor onto the coupler shaft until it is flush with the bracket. Rotate 90 degrees to allow access to the set screws. With a 1/2 inch wrench, secure the compressor to the mounting bracket using 2 carriage bolts, washers, and nuts, 180 degrees apart. Fully tighten. This sets the depth of the shaft in the compressor for future steps. Rotate the fan pulley with the recoil starter until the 2 M8x10 set screws are visible. Using a 4mm hex wrench, torque to 150 to 160 inch-pounds. Rotate the fan pulley with the recoil starter again until the single M5x8 set screw is visible. Using a 2.5mm hex wrench, torque to 37 to 42 inch-pounds. Remove the 2 carriage bolts, washers, and nuts and rotate the compressor upright. Using a 9/16" socket, very slightly loosen the compressor bracket to frame bolts. Secure the compressor to the bracket using 4 carriage bolts, washers, and nuts. Torque to 150 to 160 inch-pounds. Retighten the compressor bracket to frame bolts. Torque to 23 to 27 foot-pounds. Using a 3/8" socket, install the compressor guard using 3 screws, lock washers, and flat washers. Torque to 130 to 150 inch-pounds. Install the air filter and hand tighten. Apply thread sealant to the threads of the T-fitting. Using an adjustable wrench, thread the T onto the compressor exhaust port. Secure the braided hose to the fitting on the bottom side of the T using 2 adjustable wrenches. Remove the plug from the oil breather port. Install the oil breather fitting. Before operation, check for proper oil level. If the compressor is equipped with a fill port plug, remove the plug and verify that oil is present on the threads of the fill port. If not, add oil through the fill port. Reinstall the fill port plug. If the compressor is equipped with a sight glass, verify that oil is above the red dot in the center of the sight glass. If not, add oil through the oil breather port.